Okay, kamusta po dyan mga madam? Time na po sa ating final recap po sa ating Aviation Friendly Dub as a Flying League. Kamusta po kayo dyan sa ating mga fans po natin, sa mga masugod na manood po natin po sa Aviation Friendly Dub as a Flying League. So, natapos na po ang season po sa ating Qatar Airways, and also congratulations po sa CAS for emerging again a champion back-to-back na po ngayon, defend their crown over the former champion ABH Airport United po. Yan. Sila pinagpabit po ang grupo po ni Serrano, ni Latan, of course ni Canton at ni Bautista, at of course si Lumawag, si Mr. Duco King. Yan po ang nag-emerge po as victorious po sa ligang iyon. Kamusta po kayo ako sa Arvin G Vlog, si due time now sa ating pong finals recap po ng ating torneyong ito. Okay, let's open now our material po sa gabing ito. Ito po yan. Aviation Flying League, yan po ang ating pong final recap po tayo. Yan, ito po ako. Nandiyan na po ako, sumama na ako dyan. Okay. First of all, binabati po natin ating mga sponsors, yan po ang Team LBC and of course Thread and Needles. Team LBC, Haring Padala at Thread Needles po dyan. At saan po natin po dyan ang of course ang SPB ARA at ang Pinoy Bowlers Association for keeping the game in neat and orderly fashion. Of course, and of course, this is now our finals recap. Ito po yung nangyari po ito noong Friday, December 5 sa ating championship night po for the Battle of Third po between In-Flights and QR Towers. And of course, ating championship po, yan po naman po ang ang CAS or Qatar Aviation Services against Airport United. Okay. Okay. Teka lang. Okay. Okay. We'd like to say thank you po sa ating po mga participating teams po. Thank you. And we'd like to thank you for the participation po, of course, the Hub Lounge, Oryx Basketball, QR Projects, Qatar Airways Sky Team or QR Sky Team po yan, Boleros, In-Flights, QR Towers, Airport United, QDEF, Mechanicals, and last but not least po, yan po ang Qatar Aviation Services. Kaya thank you for your participation po sa ating po susunod po na torneo. Okay, sa torneo po yan po. Sa ating po susunod po na torneo, kundak po sa ating pong susunod na torneo, that will be for sure next year po yan. Next year po, 2026, after po ng Doha Friendly League o yung DFL. Okay, tuloy po tayo. Ayan. This is now the finals recap for all QR Towers and In-Flight battle. They're going for battle for second. Ano po natin po sila po yung natalo po sa semifinals. QR Towers, natalo po sila po sa CAS. At the same time, In-Flights naman po, natalo lang po sa Airport United. That's why they went for battle for second place or battle for third. And of course, saan po natin po dyan, while our pinaka-main event po natin, nangyari po dyan, is, of course, yan po ang CAS versus Airport United. Now, here's now the results. Una po, Qatar Towers defeated In-Flights via default. Ano po natin dyan na sila po ay, ang kalaban po nila po that time is kulang po ng isa, kaya po nanalo po, nag-avail na po ang ang QR Towers po against In-Flights. Kaya they bagged now that the second runner-up trophy at the same time meron po sila po napununan din pong cash prize team. And of course, ito po ang pinaka-importante po. Ito, CAS defeated Airport United 77-68. Yan, 9-point advantage. Pero if you notice po at the seesaw, simula po yan po ang kanilang laban po, seesaw battle po yan. Pero for sure, at pa the start of third quarter, pumutok na po yung mga key players po ng CAS, the likes of course si Justin Serrano, si JS, alongside po si Bautista, si Tan, of course, last but not least po si Mr. Canton. Kaya po nag-avail po. Eventually, sila po ang nagwagi at naging nag-champion po sa torneyong ito. Okay. Of course, before that, tuloy po tayo. Yan. Tagal na. Yan. Okay, before we continue to proceed po sa ating pong review po, here are the post-season awardees. Una po ang Mythical 5. Ang Mythical 5 po from left to right po is of course si Canton, si Darko, si Lopez, si Scott at si Hirwa. Sila po ang Mythical 5 po for this season. Kaya congratulations po sa ating pong Mythical 5. At the same time, basahin po natin, of course, ang ending season's MVP po, yan po si Mr. Babagay. Yan, si Mr. Babagay, siya po ang ating season's MVP. Congratulations po siya. Siya po yung parang kusisa po, siya po yung nagbuhat po ng airport niya po papunta po sa championship po. At the same time, sa ating finals MVP na po, yan po si Mr. Hasselman, Mr. Amampang. Yan po ang resulta po natin. And before that, sa ating puno, ito po ang abangan po natin yun. At exactly second week of January, abangan po ang pagbalik. Yan po ang Doha Friend League o yung 40s po ng Doha Friend League po. 40s aba po yan or 39 this year. Ay, sabi doon nila, you cannot participate now sa ligang iyan. Kaya abangan po ang pagbalik. It will happen now by second week of January. Yan po yung starting po nila po. Yan po ang Doha. Yan po ang Doha Friendly League. Okay. 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 O ngayon, let's review na po sa ating nangyaring championship. Ito ngayon po natin po ating championship po. Review po natin po ang championship po natin between In-Flights and of course, CAS versus Airport United sa ating kampyonatong ito. Ayan po natin. Okay. Okay. Teka lang ha. Ayan natin ito. Tungayin po natin po ating pong recap po tayo. Ayan. Okay. Yan, recap po tayo. The finals! Pampinali po ito. Wala na pang bukas for both teams. For the third time, they will square again para sa championships. Between, po natin yan, Team CAS wearing their own brown jersey versus ang Team AU po. Yan po, playing in blue po sila ngayon. Ano po itong liga to? Ito po ang Aviation Friendly League, dubbed as a Flying League. Anak paganda. Please take note po, yung ito po, kaya po greenish po ito dahil sa lighting condition po sa Sudan. Ano po natin yan? Yung flooring po ng kulay green po, nagre-reflect po all throughout po sa area. Kaya naging greenish po yung lighting dito. Okay. This is your Aviation Friendly League, dubbed as a Flying League. Okay, ito po yun. Yan. And of course, this is brought by Team LBC and Thready Needles. And of course, SBB ARA, SBQ. Before we go, we would like to say thank you for the following team who participated. Ano po yan po yung Hounds, Bricks, Cure Towers, Sky Team, Boleros, In-Flights, Cure Projects, Airport United, UDEP, Mechanicals, at last but not least po, yan po ang Team CAS. Maraming salamat po. And hope to see you again po next year sa ating another season po ng Aviation Friendly League, dubbed as a Flying League. And of course, we present now the finals. For that, congratulations po for Cure Towers for winning the game earlier po. Yan po, sila po yung third place na po, or say second runner-up na po over In-Flights. At the same time, ganyan na po, ito na ngayon ang pag-uusapan yun. For the third time, CAS versus Airport United para po sa kampyonato. Ba't yung po kasi sinabi po for the third time? Tanda pa natin po, for the first two consecutive seasons po, earlier, nagkaha po ang CAS at ang Airport United, pero hindi propelled. Then, of course, last season, nanalo po ang cast naman po over in flights. Pero diliwak po nila po ang Airport United po sa semifinals. At ito po yung for the third time po sa championship po, sila po yung maghaharap po ngayon sa to go for the gold na for the third time po. Okay. Basta tuloy po natin.
Yan po yan. Casper's in-flights. Ang record po nito, nag-champion po ang Airport United. Doon kayo nag-cover po ito twice already. Then kinuha po ng CAS ang kampiyonato noong season. Kaya sila na naman puli ngayon. Yan. Kaya CAS and Airport United coming up. Mahal po ito. Thank you very much. Okay. Okay, breaking now.
Okay. Ito natin. Pagpasok po natin. Yung laki ng Mampang.
Yan na.
Mampang Dazzle.
Abang nangantay tayo, ano muna tayo? Special number mo tayo yan. Okay, game. Yan, ano po niya, anak niya Mampang yan, Dazzleman. Mampang Dazzleman. Okay, let's go now. Okay, we're about to start right now sa ating ligang ito. Ito na po ang ating pampinali. Kaya nga, wala na pong bukas. Kaya congratulations po sa Pure Towers for winning the ball game. Over. Ano po yan? Yan po ang team in-flights. In-flights. Maraming salamat din po sa team in-flights din for participating. And of course, we're about to start right now sa ating championships between CAS versus for the third time, mag-square na naman sila sa kampiyonato. Okay.
Pwede mo comment. Those who watching right now, pwede mo mag-comment po. Sige po, comment po tayo dyan. Magkaroon po tayo magandang usapan po dito. Bibilang po natin laro po ng championship po ng CAS. Care of Arvin G. Vlog.
Siya naghahanda na po yung both teams po.
Na tayo natin ito.
40 minutes after 40 minutes po.
Jersey number 3, Smith.
Okay.
Jersey number 70, Khalil.
Yeah.
Jersey number 24, Lopez. And jersey number 5, Mansol. Starting at the lineup. We have jersey number 19, Tan.
Yan si Tan.
Jersey number 3, Anton.
Anton.
Jersey number 60, Gaston.
So,
Jersey number 5 and your 28. Jersey number 8, Amamamba.
Okay, game na. Eto na. Isa. Good luck po sing ha. Okay. Bossing. Okay, puno na natin to. Okay, first quarter about to start right now. Nandiyan po si Smith, si Lopez, si Barantes, si Monson, at si Calilo. Sa kabila po, nandiyan po si Canton, Castor, nandiyan si Perez, at saan po natin po dyan si Mr. Tan. Yan. First quarter po yun. First quarter coming up na po sa ating final finale po. Grand finale po tayo yun ng Aviation Frederick the Flying League. And also thank you po sa SPB ARA or ako representation for keeping the game in a neat and orderly fashion. And of course, saan po natin po dyan ang PSB Basketball League. And of course, this game is brought to you by Team LBC Hati Madala. At saan po natin dyan ang Thread and Needles. Okay, first possession, nakuha ni Nando, nakuha ni Tan, Canton, Castor,
Pasto Tan. 14 shots.
agad. Kamampang kagad. Amampang, pops up, top is stand. Number 3.
Beyond the arc.
Pasok agad.
Yan.
3-point stand.
Okay, first blood drawn by yun, by Kas.
3-point stand.
Drawn by Takas.
Lopez now.
Lopez, Smith. Smith driving show.
Pass to Smith.
Nope, it's Calilo. Manson for 3. Nope. Rebound by Takas. Perez
Kapensin na, malapit
Manton,
din kalaban nila,
foul.
pero foul kagad.
Barantes go for the foul.
Foul committed on jersey number 19. Barantes. First personal foul.
First personal foul.
Airport United.
3-0 score po natin via 3 points po ni Kanitan. Kanina pa po yan. Eto na po tayo. And Paksa, Tan, Noob. Floater shot. 2 points Tan.
Fernand.
Tan, 2 points.
If you notice, Caspo started strong already. Two back-to-back field goals only by the same person, si Tan. But this time, has yet to score pa po ang Airport United.
Dumadami na sila. Ayan na, yung kanilang ano. Manson. No good. Rebound by the brown shirts. Kaya po tayo. Airport United sa steal to. Oy! Barantes, ipapadre. Barantes, shake and pick. Barantes, na post. Manson, this guy played 2 points,
Smith, 2
Finally,
points.
nakabusong na rin po ang Airport United. The score is 5-2. 8:20 remaining. First quarter action. Amampang. Tan. 2 points Tan. Unstoppable so far ha. Lahat ng tira.
At this point, si Tan is only 3 out of none field goals po yan. 3 out of 3 field goals po dyan at this point.
Pasok ha.
Kasi Smith po, yun yung nagbigay ng puntos po sa Airport United.
Kalilong. Barantes, nope, it's Lopez. Lopez for 3. No good. One more time. Barantes. Good shot, 2 points.
Good shot to Barantes. Debut to Barantes po.
Barantes 2 points. And si Canton setting up the pace. 7-4 po. 7-4. Canton. And Tan again. Tan. Falco. Who's the rep? Okay, Kalilong. Kalilong called the foul. Okay, balik po tayo sa action ito. 7-4 score po natin. 7:30 remaining. Tan. And again, Tan pops up for 3. Offside. Nando sa mampang. Nice. Kasor. Power move. Malakas.
Yung Hasi naman pang kumakabit na.
Rebound. Manson. Lopez. Barantes, 100 points.
Another basket.
Barantes points, 100 man. 7-11 remaining. 1 point lead advantage, Cas. And it's Tan. Amampang. Kalilong to again. Tan against Lopez. Lopez has to play muli. Nakawala. Canton. Nope. Rebound. Lopez. Up. Oh. Nako.
Sige pa tayo dyan.
Malaki na katanga rito. Okay, Smith called for the technical foul.
At that point, double technical foul because si Smith at the same time si Amampang yata naka-technical foul din.
Of course, Amampang also snapped with a technical foul and okay, chine-check lang po wala yung records po. Yung records po, chine-check daw po yung records. Medyo na kasi, malaki na katanga rito. Malaki na katanga dito, pera at saka dangal. Okay, sabi ni Agent Ruiz, good luck mga idol. Laro lang, enjoy lang tayo sa laro. Okay, rated PG. po tayo. Back to the ball game muli po tayo. Lopez again. Lopez, Smith, against Amampang. Manson for 3. Wala.
Wala pa, mali.
Out of bounds, same ball.
Same ball.
Ball will remain.
Out of bounds, same ball po tayo.
Airport United.
Kalilong. Lopez again for 3. No. Rebound. Ayan, ayusin na. Top break. Lucky break sa Airport United. Ayan na, si Mr. Lopez again. Lopez. Smith again. No good. Uy!
By Smith. Ariel with the rebound.
Foul call. Marantas yan, tiyak. Okay. This will be a very long night for sure. This will be a very, very long night.
Foul committed on jersey number 19.
Okay, Barantes called for a foul. 6:17 remaining. 7-6 score po natin. Please take note po, Airport United is a once defensive champion po ng ligang ito. And defending po ngayon was CAS or Qatar Aviation Services, Airport Defense Champion. Tan, no good. Airport, Barantes. Nagmamatay Barantes, hoop shot, no good.
Kaya natin si Smith.
Nandun si Smith. 5:55 remaining. Tan. Ang bantayin sinasabi ni Scott. Itiro daw yan. Tumira nga. Wala. Lopez. Binababa ang bola. Lopez. Manson. Stop and pop. Nope. Barantes. Wala pa rin. Hoop shot. Nope. Scott. Kanton naka-rebound. Lamang na po ang Airport United.
Defenders from Airport United.
Foul na naman. Kanton, ang sapable ha. Kanton says, amin na dapat ang corona to. Walang nangulo ito, sabi ni Kanton. Pero sabi ng Airport na, we'll see. Tignan natin muna, sabi na po ng Airport United. Okay, Tan for the inbound. To Amampang Dahasaman. Amampang Dahasaman against Barantes. Kick pass, Kanton. Amampang, naipit, malakas. Nakuha. Okay, sabi na blue. The ball is blue. Smith again, driving show. No good. Rebound by Castor. Amampang naman, binababa ang bola. Amampang. Oh! Take 2. Whoop! Pakiayos lang yung padding. Simple na player yan. Okay, second five please.
Sa first half po ng first quarter po, diyan po natin nakita po yung pagpunitan, naka 3 field goals kagad siya. Sa kabila na po, of course, si Smith tsaka si Barantes, tulungan po sila diyan. Yung jump of the Smith at the same yung putback po ni Barantes. Kaya at the same time, relatively, ganun pa lang po sila. Dikit-dikit pa lang, nagsasagutan lang sila. May pitang laban po sa unang quarter po. While ito po, let's see now. Yeah. We're watching right na po sa recap po ng
situation, team CAS.
Ina-analyze po natin po frame by frame, quarter by quarter.
Shooting for 2. Second liners na po tayo. Of course, nandiyan si Jim.
Of course, yung kay Amampang is living yung Amampang Dahasalman. Yan, mahasil yung Amampang talaga. Yung mga tipong boys yung hasil yung Amampang po is kumakabit na rin.
Yes, si Bautista. Mapapatanding yan. Nandiyan si number 11 at si Mr. Fonteras. Amampang, pasok, tabla. Second one. Second. Ayan na. Okay, second shot po ni Amampang for the lead again.
Yan, si GS
Amampang, second shot for the lead. Pops up.
Tapos si Paul na din.
Tapos. And substitution po si Mampang. Sino po kapalit? Yan po si Mr. Rivera.
Si
Okay.
Rivera. Yung
Wala pa.
partner ni Lumawag. Si Rivera.
Scott. Babagay. Oh, foul called. Okay, that's it.
Committed on jersey number 27, Cortez.
Okay. Inbound, babagay yung inbound. Eh na. Pakilike po. Babagay for 3. No good. Rebound. Contreras. 9-8. Lamang naman ang cast. Contreras. Pasok. Pasok. Contreras 2 points. Scott for 3. Ayaw. Scott. Laro. No good. Sig. No good. Oy! Okay. Sabi daw po na referee says,
Committed on jersey number 58.
okay, JS committed for the foul. Balik muli po sa airport air na bola. 11 yung score po natin. Babagay. Pass up. No good. Sid. Rebound. No good. Wala pa rin. Oy!
Say ball.
Nope. It's ball. Ball is brown.
Brown ball daw.
Sorry, yes ball.
Baba na raw. Sabi, sit down. Nandun, check. Contreras.
Contreras yung pumatay sa
Rivera. Bautista. Pops up. Malakas. Rebound. Scott naman. Scott. Offensive foul.
Okay, offensive foul call ng Scott. Pangita lang, binalik ka talaga.
27.
Isa lang guys. Maraming sa ating loyal viewers po natin right now. We're now picking up at 17 viewers already. Thank you very much po. Pakishare po. JS. Contreras.
Yes.
JS again. JS. Driving show. Nope. Silvera. JS again for 3.
Serrano, pull up jumper.
Rebound. Ilaw. Yan naman siya. Scott. For 3. Bang!
Then,
Scott.
yeah, papasok.
3:18 remaining. Tabla naman tayo. 11-all.
Magandang relatively,
Magandang laban.
first quarter, ganun sila, sagutan lang talaga. Tuktukan talaga sila talaga. JS
getting the best game of pick.
Justin.
And Rivera, pasa,
Pero
palpal.
palpal.
Babagay, malakas. Babagay, hinabol. Eh, Bautista. Nandun naman yung kaso Babagay. Eric, hindi nahabol.
Ayaw po.
Hindi nahabol, di ba kayo ko? Di ba
Si
kayo
Eric.
Okay, 2:42 to remain. Open is 11-all. I told you this is a great ball game in our mids already. Masasabi po na Bautista. Rivera again. Rivera, shot ka po. Wala
Si
pa
Rivera,
si
sakit tayo si
lumawa.
Rivera eh. Kaya di gano'n nakakatawa.
Walang kukuha ng klaseng tira.
Pero yung gano'n ni Rivera, pumapasok yung usually.
Second to play.
And Scott again. Scott, driving strong. Scott.
Triple
Oh,
team.
na triple team. Rivera, Bautista. Bautista, malakas. Walang tawag. Babagay, pinilit, wala. JS. Okay, Bautista. 2 points. Lamang.
2 minutes.
2 minutes remaining. Babagay
Remaining.
again. Tough break, tough luck. Balik po ulit tayo. Ilaw against Bautista.
Back to Babaga.
Babagay, thinking 3. Ayaw mo na, wag mo na kay Scott 3.
Stop.
No, sayang. Contreras, Scott. Intercepted.
Ramos is waiting. Ilaw.
Malakas!
Missing the shot. Julius.
Eamon Play, think so.
Tapos di ba bagay ang kanyang
Okay, Eamon Play nga,
inventory.
confirm. Eamon Play.
Okay, on jersey number 11, Ramos.
Woo! Wow, it's getting hot in here. Grabe. Okay, Babagay, number 8, shooting for 2. Maraming salamat po. 11-8 po tayo. Oh, sorry, 13 all po tayo. Babagay, bonus free throw, pasok. Lamang na naman ang cast.
Lamang na po yung Airport United.
Lamang pala, sorry, Effort United. 11-21 remaining. Contreras. Rivera. Contreras na naman. Contreras. Palpal. Nice block by Big J. Sid. Scott. Intercepted by Rivera. Oh, ano yun?
Bautista.
Bautista for 3. Malakas. Uy! Rivera naka-putback. Grabe. Rivera.
Yun ang medyo na if you notice po nakukuha ng putback po ng more on ball possessions po ang cast over Airport United throughout the game. At the same time, mga putback po yung ipapasok po nila. Of course, yung huli po, yung mga 3-point shooting po ng cast po is more steadier than Airport United. Hindi po tayo.
The little man, the little big man.
40 seconds.
Rivera naka-putback, pasok. And Eric Grama, tingin 3. Wag mo na raw, Babagay for 3.
Julius.
No good. And brown ball.
35 seconds.
Ano ba yung mga natin nababagsaking mapahadi? Okay, lamang muli po ng isa ang cast over Airport United. 34 seconds remaining. Contreras. Bautista again.
Yes.
Bautista to. Pusha.
Yan, again. Bautista pumasok.
20 seconds.
Last shot na. Last shot na. Scott. Grama for 3.
Pulling the trigger.
Tapos.
Good kind of duel by Contreras.
Contreras.
Against one.
Nice kill.
Babagay.
Wala! Okay, isa. Oh, madilim talaga, sir. Medyo kasi, ito po ang kuha. Master Isa, pasensya na po. Ito po yung lighting siya talaga sa shooting school. Pag kinuha na po ng ordinary, yung represent
Second quarter po.
to ensure po the integrity of game is good. Cashball, Arnado. Cashball, bola. Okay, Sid, papasok muna. Okay, si Sid naman ang another combination. Dalida. Hold on. Dalida. Intercepted. Dalida. Lipit. Pops up.
Dalida, short. Manson, rebound.
Lopez. Binababa Lopez. Lopez.
Lopez, pass to
Manson for 3. Bang!
Yun. Okay.
Kailangan
Tapos pumasok na rin po yung 3-point Manson. Yung pinakihintay nila pong 3-point Manson, pumasok na po. At this point.
Ganyang karaming 3 points sa dala. Kailangan lang yun. Roll down. Dalida. Arnado. Liipit ang kote. Roll down for 3. Pasok ang
Pumasok na si Rold naman. Sila ito na yung 3 points.
What a play by Roll down. Saan ang galing yung tirang yun? Lopez.
Lopez now with the ball.
Wala na tayong halftime pagtono.
Pass to Manson.
Naman! Dancing spot! Tablado naman tayo. And lumawag.
Dukot King. Mr. Dukot. Nandiyan pala.
Nando si Lopez. For the lead. For foul, Opelensya.
Foul again on jersey number 9.
Okay, Opelensya called for a foul.
Foul by Palencia.
Brown. Ayan naman siya. Lopez. I think they have to dust now. They want to guard the arc now. Sid. Hoy! Sino ba sa nun? Walang pinasaan yung bata. Okay.
Yan, Notice ko, they notice already yung pagputok ni Manson na 3 points siya. Kaya yung kanyang favorite spot mo na point arc po, binabantay na po ng Cass.
Want to guard now, Manson, yung kanyang favorite spot. Roldan, Apex, and balik din po sa blue ang bola. Okay, back-to-back successive errors po ng both teams po. And attempts na po, ito na po tayo. Lopez ang binabang bola. Lopez, driving shot. Lopez, dribble shot. Nandun si Barantes. Barantes, hoop shot. Wala rin, rebound, lumawag. Dalita. Arnado, malakas. Oh! Good ball.
Manson.
2 points, Renzo. Teka lang. Ano yun? Time out call. They have to capitulate the turnover. Manson again. No good.
Wala.
Nope. Armado. Roldan. Lumawag. Malakas. Rebound by Smith.
Rebound kasi.
Yun.
6
Ayun yun, yung pass ni Sid sa maling tao.
remaining. Again, Roldan. Lumawag. Malalim. Good ball. Valencia. Arnado. Roldan. Dalida. Pops up. 2 points. 22 all.
Yan.
6:03 remaining.
Pass yung Dalida. Perimeter shooting yung Dalida.
Ayun na.
Back to Lopez.
Sid.
Sid right now. Underneath.
2 points Sid. Ganun lang daw sinasabi ni Scott. Let Sid dominate the boards in this quarter. Again. Roldan again. Lumawag naman. Dalida pa.
Back-to-back field Dalida. Back-to-back field goal.
Another deadlock.
Dalida ang kanyang pangatay sulog, dinagdala.
Lopez. Defended by Roldan. Pass to Joe. 14 shot clock. Barantes. Rebound Lumawa. Pass to Dalida. Dalida on the right.
Ayun, Arnado.
Open man. Pag matangin siya with yan. If you notice also, when deep, may two-prong attack po ang Cass over Airport United. Dalaw sila minsan. That point, pag pinasak kagad, ipapasa ka sa open man, yun, sure 2 points po kagad yan. Ito tayo. Yan.
Pero still, babagay po, born from Candol, binabang bola.
Yan, si Candol nandiyan sila.
Babagay, Candol. Scott na naman. Scott, thinking 3, ayaw. Kumuha ng pick.
14 shot clock.
Oy! Nice break, lucky break for Airport United.
12 seconds to shoot.
Lucky break for Airport United. Scott.
Alley play. 10 shot clock. Is it down? Foul committed jersey number 61.
Okay, that's Castor.
That's your first personal, second team.
Okay, Smith shooting for 2. Number 3, Smith shooting for 2. 4:11 remaining. Smith, first shot.
Smith
It's out.
is the first charity.
Second shot, Smith. Jumper ready.
Skip Charity ang naging story.
Jumper ready, Smith.
Sa Airport United.
Pops up. It's out.
Wala.
Rebound, JS.
Rebound in.
JS.
Justin Serrano naka-rebound. Canton.
Naka-leader nila.
Bautista.
Pass to Bautista.
Canton naman.
14 shot clock. Pass to.
Kaso, no good. Rebound, Smith.
Is that 6 seconds?
Take two.
There's a foul.
Okay, Scott shooting for two. Tan caught for the foul. Scott shooting for two. Number 27, Scott shooting for sabi rito. May sabi rito. Carl Guillermo, shoutout po kay Kapitang Fred Di Macali. Idol po ng bayan. Okay. Hi, Mr. Fred. Fred Di Macali, where are you? Second shot. That's it.
Second shot.
Tabla.
Second.
Tabla naman tayo.
Second.
Kanton, binababa bola. 3-4-2. Second quarter action on the way. Kanton. Kanalan. Ay, kumapisa. Hoy! Kanton call for the foul. Uncheck foul.
Committed by jersey number 8, Candon. That's the first personal, second team foul for Airport United.
Okay, second team for Bedmog. The story so far, maganda. Maingat po ang Airport United sa quarter na ito. Check pass. No good. Rebound para wide. Nandun ka na. Out of bounds. Sayang.
Back to 14 shot clock.
I think the story so far, got to double kick para kay JS. Then for sure, magkakaroon pa ng kick out pass para sa isang open man po para sa Cas. No good. Rebound.
Sorry, miss. There's a foul.
Okay, that's call of Castor.
61.
Scoring for the foul.
That is your second personal foul. Warning for penalty cast.
Babagay, binaba ang bola. Babagay.
Babagay.
Kanton for 3.
Wide open 3.
No good.
Wala. Rebound by Smith.
Oh, foul again. Oh, stepping on the line.
Stepping on the line.
Balik. Tablados tayo, 28.
Tapos sa 28. Tukbukan. First half.
Richard.
Attacking.
Castro naman.
Wala.
Rebound. And
Rebound outside.
same ball.
14 shot clock.
Okay, backdoor daw. Sabi backdoor. Magkaroon ng backdoor.
Canton.
Oh, ito na. Bautista for 3. What? Great shot, Nathan. What a shot by Richard Bautista, yung Taguro ng liga ito.
Approaching to the board. Canton.
Scott naman,
Pass
Scott.
to Gibbs. There's a foul.
Foul call. Take 3 si Scott. Take 3 si Scott, for sure. Take 3 yan.
Committed.
Take 3 si Scott, take 3.
Jersey number
Check, comment na po kayo. Pwede mo comment po tayo.
Okay, Bautista called for the foul. Scott shooting for 3. Maraming salamat po sa mga nag-heart sign po dyan. Thank you very much po. First shot mate. Second throw. Okay, Badong Mabases watching. Thank you po. Maraming po salamat, sir. Yan po may-ari po ng goto ko to. Gusto ko to rather.
This is the second for
Gusto ko to rather. Maraming salamat po, sir. Gusto ko to. Yan, Badong Mabases.
last row.
Sa Mansura po yan. Maraming salamat po. Scott naman. Pop shot, yes.
Basket, 1 point lead.
Okay, 1 point advantage again by Team Cass. And na naman si Bautista na yung mag-isa. No good. Rebound, Babagay. Ito naman si Candol. Smith. 2 point Smith. Dumapat si Smith. Kanton naman. Kanton.
1 point lead. Bautista.
Bautista ka, boss. Scott again. Scott.
Defended by Castor. Speed move. Pass to Babagay.
Malakas.
Sobra.
Foul call. 1:37 remaining. Laman po ng isa ang Cass. Again. Penalty situation called on. Laman po ang Airport United. Cass. Now Canton shooting for 2.
On line shooting for 2, Canton.
Candol number 8 shooting for 2. First shot. Wala. Second shot jumper sa rin po ni Candol. Lahat po dito nakatayo po lang. Tako po, di natin kung anong nangyari po dito. Candol, second throw, jumpers ready for the lead. Again, to extend the lead to 2 points. It's out. Rebound bagay. Candol. Kalilong. Scott na naman. Paano mo si Scott? Scott again, Scott. Nawala! Smith again, 2 points is Smith.
Basket.
Hoy!
Back-to-back ano sila, field goals sila.
Foul ko.
At that point, maganda yung naging ano po dyan ng Airport United dyan, naka-back-to-back field goals sila dyan. Smith, put back ni Smith, drive ni Smith po, at same time nakap ni Scott, at same time nabusdo ka ni Scott yan. Kaya back-to-back field goals sila dyan. Tuloy tayo.
Okay, the score is 31-36, 1:06 remaining. Back-to-back field goals being posted by Airport United. This is the biggest lead so far at 5 points. Castol, 2 points. 1 minute remaining po tayo. Wala na po tayong picture-picture sa halftime. Let them concentrate in the game already. Maraming salamat po. Candol, pops up, ayaw. Smith, floater shot, no good. Smith na naman, palpal. Travel inflation.
41 seconds remaining.
JS.
41 seconds.
Justin Serrano. Time out muna tayo. Airport United for the timeout. Let's go. This is your aviation friendly Dabas sa Flying League. We'd like to thank the following sponsors. And of course, we'd like to thank you po sa mga tipo nag-participate po sa ano po to, The Hub, Oryx, Pure Projects, Pure Sky Team, Boleros, Inflights, Pure Towers, Airport United, QDF, Mechanicals at of course that po yan po ang Team CAS. The finals now is upon us, and for sure we're watching right now this game right now. The defending champion CAS defending his crown against the former champion Airport United. Maraming salamat po, and it's time po tayo, halftime po tayo ngayon. The score is so far po 39, lamang po ng 3 ang Airport United. And of course, si Red King din po, minimit din po yung kanyang mga komponent din po to ensure the game in a neat and orderly fashion. Happy tayo yun, standby po tayo after 1 minute 43 seconds. Pops up. Yes, sir.
Dito, store so far, the 2 quarters pa dito, pumikap na po ang laro po ng po over Airport United. Eventually giving now the crown for this season. So, ngayon po natin.
Lamang muli po ng 3 ang po ng Airport United. Lopez.
Pumikap yung laro nila dyan.
Pilensa.
The biggest lead so far po ng Airport United is always 5 points lang. Pero ang gigawa po ng parang po ng CAS po, yung kanilang laro po. At dito sa bandang ito, dito nagsimula na po sila kumikap po. Yung laro po niya, pumuputok na dyan. Nagsimula magsimula po po.
8:58 remaining. Amampang, Jasselman, may bola. May bola. Crossover, Amampang. Contreras, Del Bothered. Nice check. Nice D by Ilaw. Again. Contreras, lumipad. JS. Amampang, grabbing. Walang pinasa. Sayang extra pa si Amampang. And 8:24 remaining. 39-44. Lopez. Barantes. Barantes.
Leaking.
Foul! Lumawag. Umapil si Ere. Foul.
Ball committed on jersey number 7, Lumawag.
Lumawag called for a foul. Barantes shooting for 2. Si Ere Barantes shooting for 2.
Cats.
Lumawag called for a foul. That's number 7 on Lumawag. Okay. Number 7, Lumawag called for the foul. And Barantes shooting for 2 at 8:13 remaining. 13-14 score po natin ngayon. First shot ni Barantes. Barantes
What's
shot.
the line shooting for 2?
No good.
Yun lang.
Second shot, jumper set ni Barantes.
Still, as sumabi, kayong free throw shooting po talaga pa ng effort natin, medyo talagang inaalat talaga sila. Minsan, ibibigyan ng 3 tira, 2 lang ang papasok. Ibang minsan po, split charities pa. Minsan, walang ititira.
Lead for Airport.
Okay, pinagpapahinga muna sina Dalay Panson. Bagay para po sa succeeding quarters po nito.
Barantes.
Barantes number 19. Again. Pasok.
Basket.
Listen. Okay. Ayun na naman. JS naman yun. JS. JS against Scott.
Serrano.
JS against Scott.
14 shot clock. Pass to
Amampang. Lumawag. Palpal! Aray.
Shot clock. 7. 7 seconds.
Lumawag. Palis.
Bautista.
Bautista. Wala. Rebound naman pang. Put back pa naman pang. Lopez.
Attacking.
Malalim.
Contreras.
Contreras naman pa. Oy! Kita. Contreras. Pasok ang bola. Contreras.
Ibanez. 14 shot clock. Jumper.
No good. 24-45. Ayun na. Lumawag. Okay. Same ball.
15.
Bramble is Brown. Eto na. Cake pass. Amampang. Dasselman. Amampang. No good. Nice interception.
Yan, magaling na.
Nice hands. May ilaw.
Pero sila bawal po kaya ng panglang doon.
Scott. Driving show.
Yan.
Good.
Stick.
Barantes. 2 points Barantes.
Debut ko ba?
Oops. Sipit. Bautista naman. Bautista. Wala.
Rebound Richard.
Bautista. Take two.
Ball committed on jersey number 11.
Number 11 call for foul. That's Ilaw. Bautista number 24.
Personal foul.
Bautista number 24 shooting for 2.
Warning for technical, jersey number 11.
Number 11 also. Eling Ilaw, warning for technical. Continues complaining. Bautista first shot. Pasok. Second shot. Bautista jumpers ready. The score right now is
Second shot.
6:37 remaining. Second shot Bautista. No good. Rebound Lumawag. Stripped away. Again Bautista. Good ball.
Rebound Serrano.
Down. Nice effort by Serrano.
Jersey number 11. Substitution.
Okay, sub muna po.
Ilaw.
Ilaw, labas muna. Kid papasok. Or si Sid papasok.
Substitution. Second team
Okay,
foul.
Kando, labas muna para kay Mr. Lopez. Roldan for the inbound.
14
And
shot
this
clock.
time,
Uy!
Richard Binawan.
Patal! Hoy!
dito at this point po, gumamit na sila ng Twin Tower combination po ang ang Airport United over CAS. At siyempre dito, medyo di maganda yung pagkakabagsak ni Bautista dito, pero thank God, wala pong nangyari po.
Iba yan. Okay, good. Okay, good.
Ball committed, jersey number 8.
Number 8, called for the foul. Bautista shooting for 2. Candol, personal pa sa po siya. Bautista, first shot. It's out. Medyo pa, nalog pa. Nalog pa, nalog pa. Step jumpers ready. I think Airport Terra goes now for the twin tower combination of Sid and Smith. Okay, to stop on defensive rebounds of Cas. Second shot, Bautista. Both basket, no good. Gumawag! Super sumawag. Tabla. Hindi pala, sorry.
1-point lead.
46-47, Smith.
Smith. Defended by Serrano.
No.
On the next.
Sayang.
Rebound by Roldan.
Well done. Another hustle man.
Kapang! 2 points sila. Ayun na, naman sila.
48-57.
Okay, what a patient play by us again. Sabi ni Mr. Alex Soleta, good luck sa mga team. Maraming salamat po, sir. Okay. Okay, the score is 48-47, 6:01 remaining. Baba pa to. Meron pa tayong fourth quarter pa. This game is getting interesting every moment. Nakita po natin yan, both teams po wanted to secure the crown. Smith, simuli na nandiyan na.
Smith.
Scott.
Pass is the 14 shot clock.
No foul.
Poor shot.
No foul.
Scott trying to foul bit, pero hindi po nakumago po ng foul.
Okay, roll done.
1:48 per pass.
5:38 remaining.
Mampang Jasmine.
Ariel, strike
Again,
Foul on Scott.
foul on Scott.
Substitution.
Okay, sab muna po tayo, Scott, para kay Babagay.
Warning for penalty. Airport United.
Okay, 47 pa rin, 5:32 remaining. Roll done. Roll done, pinasa kay Mampang. Mampang.
14 shot.
Mampang. Dumuelo. Pass, JS. JS.
Foul.
Push for rep.
All the way to the jersey number 12. Sid.
Sid call for the foul.
Penalty.
Penalty situation at 5:17. Penalty na po ang Team Airport United. 48-14 score po natin. JS shooting for 2. JS, first shot. It's in.
Nice to close round.
Nothing but net. Second shot, JS. Jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up.
Second try.
It's in. Okay. Ted. Oh.
Technical foul will be awarded for Gas. Delayed game.
Mas Smith and Julius.
Okay, delayed game po. Basket made, 50-48. Dami yung technical. Mula yung technical. Babagay, number 8. Okay, 50-48 po. 5-11 remaining.
Julius.
Molina.
Pass to Molina.
Molina, 2 points.
Kamikasi Molina.
Saan ang galing yung tirang yung? Grabe. The Kamikasi Kid, pumapasok na naman.
Kamikasi Molina.
Molina. Amampang. JS.
Serrano.
What?
2 points, JS.
Jumping hoop. One-handed shot by Serrano. Babagay.
Babagay for 3.
3 points, Babagay. JS naman, JS. Okay, foul called. JS taking mark in his own hands. 17. Oy,
Jersey number 8.
jersey number 8 again called for a foul. Monson, pasok muna para kanino? Okay, Smith, para kay Monson muna. Thank you, okay. Kandol, labas muna rin. Para kay Scott.
Candol. That's your fourth foul.
Fourth personal po po ni Kandol. JS shooting for 2.
Sa Airport United.
First shot.
Pwede pa pumupo.
It's in. Walang tapon.
Baskets.
Walang tapon ang free throw JS. Second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. 4:29 remaining. Third quarter action still on the way. JS pops up. Walang kawalaan talaga. Babagay again. 52-53.
Yes, consistent from the line.
4:28
As of now.
remaining. Babagay.
Babagay.
Manson. Opulensya.
Sid. Jumper.
No good.
Sa big man ng Airport United. Still missing the mark.
Amampang. Opulensya. No good. Rebound, Babagay. Manson.
Trigger.
No good. Rebound. And foul ball. Buti na call for the foul for sure. Okay, Molina na talaga. Molina call for the foul. Penalty situation again. Balik po si JS sa linya. 54-53.
So the penalty situation sa
Penalty situation po.
third quarter.
Penalty situation po.
Lahat need pa. Need pa penalty.
Airport United. In the last 5-17 mark ng third ng quarter na ito.
Sa kalahati ng
Serrano,
penalty,
number
medyo
3,
masakit talaga
shooting
sa
for 2
Airport
again
United.
at 4:01 remaining. First shot,
Pinaka-capitalize din
JS.
ng cash yung ganong klaseng sitwasyon.
It's out.
This is the first. 4 minutes remaining.
Second row jumper siya ready. Ten. Okay, dalawa. 4:01 remaining. Ito naman. Babagay again. 4 minutes remaining. Babagay. Sina. Babagay. Babagay again. Babagay. Pops up.
Babagay, jumper.
No good. Rebound pero 1 by. Opulensya. JS. 2 by JS.
Pwede na yun. Point blank yun para kay JS. Nagpigit yun. Babagay again. Had the ball.
4.8 for Gas.
Tagay sa Mampang.
Nakulang peg.
Ako. Start of the attack.
.28 remaining. The score is 57-53. Alaman po ng apat na ngayon ang
3 minutes.
3 minutes remaining. Laman na po ng apat ang team Cash over Airport United. Kanto naman yun. Si Kanto nagmamando ngayon. Naging sa Amampang naman. Amampang. Drive show. Amampang. 2 points sa Amampang.
Si Mampang pasok. Si Mampang gentleman. Strikes again.
Bagay. Scott.
Scott. Defended by Ariel. 1-on-1.
Laman na
Scott crossover.
Malco.
Wait. Foul committed on jersey number 53.
Again. Foul. Okay, Smith. Okay, si Sid, labas muna. Labas muna para kay Kalilong. Tsaka kay Mr. Smith.
14 shot clock.
Si Scott, may guard may gumagawa niya. Si Mampang.
Manson.
Manson, Kalilong. Kalilong. Babagay.
10 shot clock.
Babagay. Manson.
Manson.
No good. Babagay naman.
Julius Babagay.
Babagay!
There's a foul.
Paukog.
Think dito dumipin,
Foul
kumabit
committed
na
on jersey
dumipin
number
dito si
3,
Manson.
Canton.
Canton!
Nakakapag-flipet na siya, wala
That
pa
is the second personal
Second
foul.
version pa na balik ang tunyan at 2:50 remaining.
30 foul.
Napako na
Di tulad sa first quarter, doon pumutok siya doon, may itimit nung lamig siya rito si Manson. Evident siya di sa second half po talaga.
ang team pass.
Yan, si Canton. Si Manson,
Okay,
nandiyan
man tayo. Babagay, shooting for 2.
Wala yung shooting niya.
It's out!
And then Babagay also, speed charity dito sa Babagay. Kaya nakip-keper na.
I think the story so far dito, the free throws of pass is going in while sa AU po is not going in.
Yung
Yan, full speed charity yung ginagawa nila.
speed
Ito
charities.
naman sila. Amampang, binababa ang bola. Dasman, Amampang, Dasman. Serrano, malakas.
Serrano, wala.
Yes.
Mali!
Yun.
What an assist on the ball.
Gumawa. Yun. Ano kang finding always open
Nice
lang.
pass of play by Mampang.
See? Eh, no?
Babagay. No good.
Wala. Rebound again.
Good goal.
Yan, wala na yung second chance player points ng
Po ng pito na ngayon ang cut over
Yan.
Airport United.
Closing 2 minutes.
The story so far po sa third quarter, dito po nagsisimula na po yung pick-up ng laro po ng Cavs over Airport United. You see already, no? Nawala na po ng second chance points po ang Airport United, while yung Cavs po, parati sila may second chance points. But mean to say, pag oras po na-miss po yung tira, may rebound ka, impossible putback.
Wala na ito darating. For both teams. Ito na po yung final sa dito. Amampang na naman. Amampang.
Pass to
Check
Serrano.
pass. JS for 3. Hoy!
That is a foul. Foul committed on jersey 17.
Babagay. No good.
Wala. Rebound again.
Dito si Bubay, pumapasok yan, pero hindi na pumapasok dito sa Babagay.
Lamang po ng pito na ngayon ang cut over Airport United.
Closing 2 minutes.
Wala na ito darating. For both teams. Ito na po yung final sa dito. Amampang na naman. Amampang.
Pass to
Check pass.
Serrano.
JS for 3. Hoy!
That is a foul. Foul committed on jersey number 17. Penalty.
Tatlo yun.
Substitution. Shooting for 2, jersey number 9.
Silensya.
Operansya number 9 shooting for 2. Operansya first shot. Wala. Second shot. Pito na po ang kalamangan po ng team Cavs over Airport United.
Personal foul.
Airport United, pito na po kalamangan po ngayon. No good. Rebound by Babagay.
Ito.
Take pass Smith.
Smith. Serrano's waiting.
Wala.
Defended well. Pass to Canton. Canton, lay in.
No! Manson.
Manson. Atakas ni Babagay.
Escat for
Swing
3.
out. Escat.
No good.
Wala.
Rebound JS. JS naman JS.
Serrano.
JS. Good ball. No foul.
Smith with the rebound.
Anong pang sa ilalim?
Ang nakagasin mo.
Attacking.
Nakakuha ang palpa.
Take 2.
Take ko sumakang.
Nice one.
Foul committed on jersey number 17. Substitution.
Okay, sabo na po. Nice
Personal
Nice play by Opulensya para kay Tan. Good game para kay Opulensya. Amampang for 2. Dasselman. Amampang Dasselman. Wala. Shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Napako na po sa 54 po ang Team Airport United.
7.8 for pass.
Second shot. Jumpers ready. Rebound by Smith.
Rebound Smith.
Smith, may rebound din sila.
Power and rebound to Smith.
Smith, pinapabawala. Smith, make sure. Wow!
Serrano, that is your third personal
Third
foul.
person pa ni Serrano. Okay, Serrano, third person. Lumawag para kay Castor. Smith, number 3.
Warning for penalty pass.
Okay.
Smith on the line, shooting for 2.
Smith, it's in. Stepping up the line. Okay, it's in. Okay, 6:55. Lamang po ng 6. 6 na naman. Amampang, Dasselman. Amampang, check pass, JS. Tan. Serrano again. Scott. Castor, no good. Rebound, Scott.
Scott now on the attack.
Good goal.
Smith.
Tough break. Tough break sa Airport United.
6 seconds.
Namasak
Let's see,
ang
fourth
Airport United
quarter.
yung bola.
45.
Amampang. Castor, Kanto, Tam, Castor. Pinapayagan. Smith.
Smith.
Who's my ref? Okay, Canton.
Foul on jersey number 61.
Okay, 61. Castor, sorry.
That is your third personal
Third
foul.
person mountain. Wala. Uy.
Game clock 22 seconds.
Siyam, lamang ng siyam. 64-55. 9-point advantage. It's in. 8.
Nothing to need to aim.
Tumutok na. Tumutok na yung reversing pass dito.
Okay, Amampang. Hasselman again.
Amampang
10 seconds.
second chance points and also
5 game clock.
fail situation ng Airport United dyan.
Again!
Yan.
Foul committed.
Okay, Manson called for the foul.
That's your second personal foul. Jersey number 5.
Yan. Masakit yung ano dyan. Dahil tandaan po natin po at 5:17 mark mo ng third quarter, nag-penalty po ang Airport United. Isa, kada foul yun, may free throws kagad ang kalaban nila.
1 second remaining.
Okay, Castor, no good.
Still an 8-point lead for Gas.
Punted, 1 second remaining. Okay, Amampang. It's in. Okay.
1 second.
Sayang.
And to the third quarter.
Okay, after 3 quarters naman po ng siyam munit. Bramble.
Dito,
8 seconds.
so antayin po dito yung pagputok po ni Canton, yung back-to-back field goal si Canton, yung nagbigay po ng pagkapanalo po ng CAS.
Ball. Bautista. Amampang. JS pops up. No good.
Second chance po.
Bautista again.
Again, rebound.
Good ball.
Behind. Pass. Joe. Pass to Molina.
Win again. Reed Smith.
Smith. Rebound.
Berantes.
Arnold. Still.
Yan, simula.
One action right now. Barantes. Pull up. Hook shot. Rebound.
Nice try, nice try, nice try. Balik ulit tayo. 8:58 remaining.
Shot clock.
Hop.
10.
Sige po, sige po. Dampong ma'am. Dampong
3 seconds.
Bicycle,
remaining.
3 second violation hold. Again, pako na naman tayo. 65-56. Wala pang score na gumagalaw. 8:24 remaining. Almost 2 minutes have elapsed already. Wala pa rin po score na nagaganap po ngayon for both team. Matinding bantayan po ito sa ating mga Boating Spooper still. Has to do something or else everything will be lost.
Winning the 3.
Bang! Okay.
Halibang.
Hunting the lead to 6.
6-point lead advantage. Amampang against Scott ngayon. Scott nagbabatik niya Amampang. Amampang na naman, Scott. Binato. Rivera. Serrano, JS. Noble team na. Rivera. Rivera.
Back to Bautista.
Malakas. Wala.
Serrano.
Good ball. Molina.
Clock is 13.
30 seconds remaining.
13 seconds to shoot.
Okay, 7:48 remaining. Okay, sa Dalida para kay Rivera. Isa pa matay sunog. Nagpasok pa ni si Coach Owen.
10 shot clock.
Mampang. Dalida. Kapos. Scott.
Good. Yun.
Malipasa. Bautista. Hoy!
See? Nakuha na yung rebound, pinasa lang basta-basta. Hindi man lang tumiting kung sino yung papasahan. Yun ang isang isang sakit, naman sakit, pero talagang yun ang parang isa sa mga naging dahilan kaya sila naalamangan po ng todo po ng cast.
Jong, blocking foul.
Foul minute of jersey 6.
Sabi ni Mark Lopez, depensa. Mark Lopez, go Ali.
First team foul.
Go AU.
Airport United. Ariel. Pass Bautista. Making the shot. Defended by
Bautista,
two
two pass.
5 to shoot.
Bautista. Hop! Okay, out of bounds.
Another possession by control. Same by
Hindi
control.
na sisipin yung bola.
That is the control. 14 shot clock.
Okay, babagay, pinasok muna. Okay. Nice try, nice game. May Molina again, babagay, pumasok na rin. Castor, first shot. Wala. Castor, second throw, jumpers ready. Again, the twin tower combination of Smith and Kidd. Sid for Airport United against, of course, the power of JS. Eto na. Okay, 66-59 at 7 with the advantage still.
7-point lead.
7-11. Smith again.
Smith. Aslan. Paso Serrano.
Bawas yung second
Serrano
chance po.
attacking.
Tapos.
Short. Ang mamampang. Rebound. Sa power for Jamaica. Jersey 27. Substitution.
Foul ni Scott.
Scott. Second first.
Pangalawa ni Scott. Pangatlo, Airport United.
14 shot clock.
Okay, si John pinasok mo na ulit para kay Smith. Okay, si Lumawag, nasok na rin, kanilang dukot. Si Mr. Dukot, lumawag, nandiyan na rin. Amang against Job. Job, Mampa, crossover, Salida. Lumawag. Dalida. 2 points.
Yung second chance po, sa pumapasok. Yan ang isa sa mga Dela kaya nanalo sila.
Scott, defensive by Ariel.
Papasok yung second chance points kung sa proper rebound.
Dorong di pa na. Pass, tutupas. Hindi siya tayo. Babagay is open. Dorong di pa sa tutupas. Basket.
2 points. Hindi na papatag. 3 personal foul si JS. Kita sumang mga 4 personal foul. Pito.
Ariel. Pass, Tiganda. Rebound to pass. Pass, Scott now. Takes it again. Hole will remain. Airport United. Shot clock 17. 17 seconds to shoot. Substitution.
Okay, Canton para kay Mr. Dalida. Ayaw, hindi pala. No, sino yung bus? Mansong, palpal!
Block. Isang foul. Landing po. Jersey versus
Okay, confirm lumawag ko for the foul. And tatlo yan. Foul to, tatlo no? 3 per 3 free throws given for sure. Tatlo po yan. 6-8, 6-1. First shot.
Scott.
It's in.
Basket.
Second shot. Second throw. Scott. It's out. That will help them for sure. Hindi sinusuguro yung yung free throw. Take 3, they're gonna make 2. Take 2, gate the split charities po tayo. Okay? 5, 6-3, 5:56 inning. Kanton nagis Jong. Kanton, Jong. Hinahanap, JS. Bautista! Wala! Rebound is Scott. Oh, chain ball. Nice hustle by Roldan. Das. Tong na naman. Uy! Canton for 3. No. Rebound ako, Bautista. Lumawag. Fadeaway shot. No. Rebound babagay. Jong. Smith. 2 point Smith. Tatlo. Time out called by Airport by Cass. Again, bumabalik na naman ang Airport United. Parang boxing ito. Binubugbog yung isa. Nagpapabugbog yung isa naman. This is second win of Airport United to beat Cass or Cass remain on the top at 5-3 remaining.
Both teams, take na dalawang timeout pa.
Both teams 2 timeouts left tayo. Ron doesn't want that's like what's happening right now. Okay, Amang pinapsok pa rin po.
Back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game muli po tayo. Okay.
Malapit na po tayo.
Okay, Canton.
So,
Third D Canton. And Amampang to Canton again. Canton against Jong.
pass to Kanto.
Jong.
Kanto.
Oy! Oy! Nice D. Nice D. Mansong.
Shot clock natin 17.
17 seconds to shoot.
17 seconds to shoot.
Amampang against Babagay.
Yeah. 14 shot clock. Attacking the defense.
Nice one.
Bautista. Basket.
Wala. Nasa ring. 5. 14 malayo pa yan. Scott naman, bumabala. Amampang, ay si Scott.
Shot clock. Amamambang. Body to body defense. Against Scott. Close over.
violation. 15 lima. Malayo pa yan. Canton for the inbound. Canton for the inbound. Number 3, Canton. Canton pa rin. Again, from Amampang. 4:10 remaining.
Anton. Wala na muna music. Down the wire. 14 shot clock.
Hoy! Foul po.
Pass.
Well, flaring talaga. Maganda, lalaban talaga. Takbukan si Tadeng kung may iwasan talaga yun. Ayun o. Kasi yung technique ito, balikan natin.
Set yung foul. Lima.
Ito yun.
From Amampang. 4:10 remaining.
Yan,
Anton. Wala na muna music. Down the wire. 14 shot clock.
Hoy! Foul po.
Ayun. Yan ang ano. Ang sport answer yun. Ano.
Pass.
Ang sport was like contact yun. For both sides po yun. Yan, pinapan out ko po. Hindi ko gusto makita kasi yan eh. Hindi ko makita yung klaseng attack ko. Kaya pinapan out ko kagad yun.
Take the foul call on Jong. Okay. JS, pinapasok pa yung both yung kanyang component din. Okay, double technical call also.
Jersey number 3. Sir, awat na po.
Awat na.
Awat na po ha.
Awat na.
Wait po. Double
technical call. Double technical call.
Foul on 2 pass. Technical foul on 2 pass. Technical foul on Anton.
Hop, teka.
Penalty. Airport United.
Ayun. Maaga. Okay.
Anton, third personal foul. 2 pass. Pang-apat na foul.
Okay, 2 pass.
Gas, second team foul.
Second people pa lang. 5 Canton, shooting for 2. Stop. It's out. Out. Second shot. Jumpers ready. Smith. Nope. Rebound by Smith. Scott. Okay, ano muna? Timing na. Scott against sa Mampang.
Scott, defended by Ariel. Good defense. Scott nakabala. Justin, nag-iinay. Pass to Anton.
Yan.
Lumawag. Foul ko. Ay, Paulo lumawag.
Time out. Airport United, offense foul. Jersey number 7.
Lumawag.
Point.
Good.
Manson, on the attack. Manson, Luger.
Wala.
Point blank.
Minalas na.
Pass to Anton. 14 shot clock.
2:36 remaining. Ganda laban. Pero siyempre,
Down to 10.
Serrano.
Serrano, Spigo.
Ayun, yan, una. Isa. Yan na, ulit-un. May unang tabak treat, field goals ni Canton.
Babaga. Jumper. Short. Pass. 2 minutes.
Ano?
This is brought to you by Red Needles. LBC. Nakadala.
Yes.
Putra.
Okay. Amampang, number 40. Binababa. Now winding the clock. Amampang.
5 to shoot.
Canton na naman.
Ayan, back-to-back field goals si Canton. Yan yun.
collapse na yung Air United. Lamang ng 11. Back-to-back field goals by Canton.
Back-to-back Philippines Canton. Yan ang Canado.
Back-to-back field goals by Canton.
Shot clock is 13.
Okay, back-to-back field goals by Canton. Scott for the inbound against sa mapa.
Scott inbounding.
Manson.
Pumasok na. 76-68. Lamang na 8. Bautista.
14 shot clock. Count again.
Bautista. Good ball.
Trying to shoot. Manson. Manilo. Manson.
No good. That's it. Okay, that's it.
50 seconds. There's a foul. Jersey number 17.
Congratulations, it takes 14 seconds remaining.
Okay. Meron pa nga sa Spirit Gas.
Okay, GS Trupitos po tayo guys. Sa namin dahil kasi matatapos na po kasi po ang ating pong liga. Okay, congratulations. Okay, for sure. Yung kay Canton talaga. Diyan na siya nag-bail out talaga. Yung bail out kay Canton talaga ang pinaka
Dalawang back-to-back.
Say shot for sure. Sigurado na yan.
5 seconds. 9. Fernandez. Wala.
Okay, that's it. Blue ball pa sa amin. Blue ball. Blue ball na ba? Blue ball.
Shot clock 14. Manilo. Bumato ng press.
Wala na.
Shot. Rebound.
Okay, that's it.
Lumabas. 25 seconds. Wala. Try to shoot.
Good ball, good ball.
1 second.
1 second shot clock.
1 second. 1 second.
Canton na nagbigay ng ano. Okay, ito lang niya. Formalisa lang tayo. 15 minutes remaining.
Magulat sila ba? Technical na. Relax mo na. 15. Manson.
Okay, that's it.
That's
9
it.
seconds.
Okay, labas po tayo sa
Congratulations for sure defending the champion, Team CAS. Back-to-back champion na po tayo sa CAS. Okay, congratulations Team CAS for winning the ball game. Ready po tayo, wala na po tayo, no? Sir Isa, sir, panalo po kay sir. Final score po natin, 77-68, and 9-point advantage for Team CAS.
yung pag-ginagawa nagdalag siya.
Congratulations.
Champion. Terowets. Bunot po muna natin mananalo.
Katon.
Miss Iris
Any word sa first ko dito?
Hindi, tama lang.
Hindi. Sinipa mo pang ko, type ko lang yan. Okay sir, ano mo masasabi po natin sir? Back-to-back champion na po kayo.
Dito talaga yung pag-tension namin eh. I mean, sigla pa lang.
Huwag
Tight
natin,
yung
talaga
body.
no. Talagang ano natin, kayo nang bumito talaga. Ilayo ka ng konti.
Ang lahat ng server today ang lahat! TV salamat ka!
Okay, yung story kanton, okay. Any word pa sa sige po.
Thank you sa community.
Yes, yes.
Commissioner ng buo ng league.
Opo.
Thank you, our Lord. Binigay sa amin back-to-back.
Back-to-back ngayon, back-to-back.
Next season, try namin. Triple.
Triple yan, 3-pit. We'll go for the 3-pit now, okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, JS, ayo, okay.
Winner po natin ang isang box po.
Sir, dapat po sir! Sir! Sir, teka lang. Harap ka punta ulit sir. Tayo. Champion tayo sir!
Yes, Diyos ko lang ito. Wala pa ako. Salamat sana sa kasa.
Sali yan!
Ano masasabi mo sa Canton Tan Connection?
Wala akong masabi! Nangyayaki ako yung... Ako ba, coach nyo? Sino ba ba? Amampang. Kanina talaga, medyo mainit kanina talaga, pero masasabi po natin talaga, sir.
Sir, salamat,
Sir. Pray muna. Sino ba dito? Coach Owen, any word po sir, Coach Owen. Back-to-back champion now. You go now for the 3-pit next season? Ha? You go for the 3-pit? Okay, for 3-pit na. Basta kompleto talaga. Yun ang keyword. Kompleto talaga. Okay, good. Kang Castor, any word po sir, Castor.
Nice team.
Boracay. Boracay. Mr. Roldan, another Hasselman. Sige po, Mr. Roldan. Another Hasselman po. Sige po.
Ano pong tanong sa... ano pong tanong wala ako eh.
Abay, ano pa to?
Ayun, salamat dahil nag-back-to-back champion kami.
Okay.
And sa Hassel and effort
Okay.
ng team.
Okay.
See you next season, Boss
Sige.
Arvin.
Thank you sir. Thank you rin sir. Okay. Okay, thank you. Yan po ang Team Cast. Back-to-back champion. Season 3, season 4, season 5 champion. Maraming salamat po. Bilas nyo proceed na po sa ating ino. Okay, Airport United. Kasi po, kudos po sa kanilang laro. They given a good fight pero still. Okay. Okay, thank you po. Airport United, congratulations. And proceeding also now sa ating pong
Congratulations for our
presentation sa medal at sa Calgilier.
Now,
Hello! Nice try guys, nice try. Kudos. Bago tayo next season. Next season. Okay. Antayin po tayo sa Jagger call now sa ating pong champion. Yeah.
okay, now, our
Okay, presenting na the champion.
okay, our season MVP goes to
Okay, guys.
Okay.
Congratulations, sir. Congratulations. Sige po. Julius, alam po natin po, for sure, you fought your heart talaga, pero still talaga, we know effort yung will bounce back po sa atin po next season talaga. What expect po sa Airport United po, sir? We have to bounce back for sure.
Unang-una, nagpapasalamat po kami kay Lord na
Okay.
natapos po namin yung season namin na injury-free.
Yes.
Pag kinakakongrats din po namin yung cast.
Hindi, talagang eternal rival talaga.
So, bale, 2-all na.
2-all
So,
na.
next season, gagawin pa rin namin yung best namin na babawian namin yung cast for sure. Babawi kami.
Okay.
Champion kami next season.
Pero still, kudos pa rin sa performance mo talaga for still. Talaga, alam natin, meron mananalo, may patatalo talaga. Okay.
Thank you po. Thank you po, Sir Martin, sa
Okay.
inyo.
Now, our champion.
Okay, mag-broadcast every
Okay
Friday.
lang, para sa ano, para sa liga talaga.
Thank you so much po and
Bye.
thank you rin po sa
Nice.
mga nag-participate na din.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Now, calling now Team Cast now for the awarding now for the champion trophy. Of course, including also the medals. Yan. Congratulations kay Babagay sa Palansing MVP. Okay, one by one. Okay, trophy and medals to be received by all team members ng Team Cats. Congratulations. Of course, si Dalida, si Roldan, si Rivera, yan, si Ramos, yan, si Lumawag, nandiyan si Gillian, nandiyan si number 5, wag yung ano, yung score, wag yung takpan. Okay, si Perez. Oh. Yan na. Okay. Okay, parang World Cup yata, parang World Cup eh, World Cup daw, World Cup. Yan, si Canton, of course, dan si Rivera, yung kanyang Martin Jeff combination, si Fonchera, si Lumawag, mga pamatay sunog po ni Mr. Ali, Coach Owen, of course. Ba't kayo nahiya? Sumama kayo dyan! Ba't kayo nahiya? Sumama kayo! Ayaw. Walang yan! Okay, congratulations.
Okay, concludes na sa ating liga po ito. At the same time, congratulations po sa Team Cast for winning eventually the championships po. At the same time, kudos po sa Airport United for giving a good game po. Bagamat kinabas po sila, pero and po maganda laban pong binigay po sa kanila. Sabi nga, the sort of ang pinakasamil sa liga po yan, for the first 2 quarters, pukpukan po sila, pero pagpatak po ng 3rd quarter, doon po lumabas po, pumutok po yung mga key players po ng Cast, the likes of course, si JS, yung kayong leadership ni JS, at the same time, yung ano ni Canton, yung mga hustle play ni Amampang, at yung mga putback po nila, yung mga second chance points po, pupasok na po doon. Lalo pa sa 4th quarter, yung pinaka source so far, yung back-to-back field goals ni Canton nagbigay na po ng kampiyonato po for the second consecutive season po ang Team Cast. Kaya congratulations po sa Team Cast po. At time, before we go, again po mid-season, sa mid po ito, yan, ang Dolphin League po is will go open po sa mid-January 2026. Kaya sinasabi po dyan, abangan ang pagbabalik. Do friendly yan po yung pataas. Pero alam ko yata pagkabalita ko, what I'm hearing is 39. Pag nag-13 kayata at the time ng liga po ito, pasokan yata. Pero pakicheck nila po as per households po. With it po ako si Arvin G. Vlogs with you. Hindi rin po sa Aviation Friend, Dabas of Flying League. Maraming salamat kay Sir Philip po for giving me an opportunity to cover the league fully. With ako yung nagpapasama po, again, congratulations sa Airport United. Still kudos pa rin po congratulations po sa Cast rather. And kudos po sa Airport United for giving a good game po sa kanilang kampiyonato. With it, maraming salamat po. At the same time, thank you very much. And see you again po mid-January para sa pagbubukas po ng Doha Friendly League dubbed as the Titos and Titas League o yung 40s po ng Doha Friendly. With it, maraming salamat po. Thank you very much and see you always po. Goodbye for now. I say goodness po. Thank you very much and course, masalamat. Get po tayo po always. At same time, congratulations po rin po sa cast for winning the crown again. Back to po sila. And hopefully we'll see po also if they go for a 3-peat next year po. With it, maraming salamat po. God bless po all. See you. Bye-bye po. Thank you very much.